All right, welcome back to our DIY golf club restoration beginner series. We mapped the makeover and now we're going to remove the club head from the shaft. You could get away with leaving this on, but it's a real pain in the butt. You have more maneuverability. You're going to be able to get into these areas much easier if you remove the club head. It only takes about 5 minutes to get it off. It takes about 5 minutes to put it back on. So it really doesn't make sense to try to work with this, cumbersome shaft when we're doing the rest of the steps. Most modern clubs are held together with a two-part epoxy, and that's just glue. And the way to break down that glue or to soften that glue to get the club head off is to use heat. So you can either use a heat gun, or in our case, we're going to use that inexpensive butane kitchen torch. We're going to use it to melt the epoxy inside so that we can just pull the club head right off the shaft. Couple of points of safety. We're going to use our eye protection. We're going to use our leather gloves or a pot holder because this is going to get really warm. I'll take my fire extinguisher with me just in case. But another thing you need to be really cautious of is as the epoxy heats up and starts to bubble, the only place for those gases to escape is that way. They can either escape into the shaft, or if that shaft is blocked with a tip weight or some clogged epoxy, it's going to come out the back. So you really want to make sure that you protect your face and you protect your hands from any type of escape of that gas or any sort of molten epoxy. It's happened before and it'll happen again. So make sure that you're cautious of that. We're going to take this outside. I'm going to heat it up really slowly and you'll start to see that keeping the grip on, I can start to twist it and pull it right off the shaft. Really easy to do. So just watch me work. All right, so that's that, man. Really easy to do. All I did was heat it up until the epoxy got soft, and then I was able to twist it right off and pull it out. Didn't want to save the ferrule. That's what's left of that. And you'll see in some of my videos, I murder these on purpose. So they're really easy to swap out, and they got really cool options if you wanted to get something a little more custom than just black. So that's off, and then we'll go to the next step.